Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a low-pressure spray gun. First, let's get set up for success. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, like a respirator and safety glasses, to ensure your safety. Make sure your work area is clean, well-lit, and has good airflow. Then, connect your air hose securely to the gun and adjust the air pressure to the manufacturer's recommended range, typically between 10 and 25 pounds per square inch. Now, let's prepare your material and the spray gun itself. It's crucial to mix your paint or finish thoroughly, following the product's guidelines. Always strain your material through a fine mesh filter to prevent clogs and ensure a smooth finish. Fill the spray gun cup, typically to about 3/4 full, to avoid spills. Finally, set your fluid control and fan pattern to achieve the desired spray, often starting with a medium fan and fluid flow. With your material ready, let's focus on effective spraying techniques. Hold the gun perpendicular to the surface, maintaining a consistent distance of about 6 to 8 inches. Use smooth, even strokes, overlapping each pass by about 50% to ensure uniform coverage. Always trigger the gun just before starting your pass and release it just after finishing, avoiding arcs. Practice on a piece of scrap material first to get a feel for the gun. Proper cleaning and maintenance are vital for your spray gun's longevity. Immediately after use, empty any leftover material from the cup. Disassemble the gun and clean all parts, including the nozzle, air cap, and fluid needle, using the correct cleaning solution. Ensure all paint residue is removed. Lubricate any moving parts as specified by the manufacturer. A well-maintained gun will perform reliably for many projects to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.